Back to my channel. We are continuing with this work and we are going to work on this. So here we have that three views of a block are shown in first angle projection. The end elevation and the plan are incomplete. Draw the three views and complete the end elevation and the plan. Make an isometric drawing of the block. So we are going to work this out. Let's look at dimensions on this. So for this plan, so this time from here to here is 10, from here to here is 20, from here to here is what is 10. And then the front elevation from here to here is 50, from here to here is 5, from here to here is 30, from here to here is 24, from here to here is 10, from here to here is 10. Our end elevation from here to here is 40, and then from here to here is 15, from here to here is 10, from here to here is 15. So all these dimensions, we use them to make the to draw the orthographic views as we ask to complete the plan and the end elevation. Then we go on and make the isometric view of these objects. Let's go. So what we are to do first here for the orthographic views, so we are going to draw a horizontal line. So we are going to draw horizontal line here. So here we draw horizontal line. So from so let me come down. So from here to here, so we draw horizontal line like this. Okay, so we have this horizontal line, and then so we are going to draw a vertical line. So here we draw a vertical line from here down. Okay, all right. So I will start with the front elevation. For the front elevation, first of all, take a measurement of 30 millimeters up. So this is 30 millimeters. After 30, we have 24. This is 24 millimeters. Then we are going to take 10. So this is 10 millimeters. Okay, 10 millimeters. I will take another 10 millimeters. So all these ones, we are going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line from here to here, and here also we draw horizontal line from here to here, and then here also we draw horizontal line from here to here, and then for this one we also draw horizontal line from here to here. So we have this now. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a measurement of 50 millimeters from this point. So 50 millimeters, this is 50 millimeters. Okay, then I will take 5 millimeters inward like this. Okay, now so from this point here, from where we have this 50, I will draw a vertical line. So I will draw a vertical line from this point where we have that 50. So I draw a vertical line, so it also come down like this. And for this one, I'll just draw from here to here like this, and then it comes down. All right, so then now, so for the front elevation, so for what we have here, we can, okay, so we also have a particular part that we need to draw. So thickness from thickness from here to here is not given. Thickness from here to here is not given, but I will take it as 10. But okay, if you follow this, it should be 10. Okay, so but for me, I think that dimension is supposed to be given, so I will take 10 from here. So 10 from here, so this is 10. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So that vertical line, so I'll draw a vertical line from here, so it also comes down like this. So we have this now. So let's extend this line down. Okay, all right. So now, so for the front elevation, all that we have here, I will give a front elevation, and for the plan, I'll come down a little bit from the front elevation and draw horizontal line to this side. Okay, so what is the width of the plan? So from here to here is what is 40, as we have that from here to here is 40. So I have to take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters. Then I will take 10 up, and then from this point I will take 10 down. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So here I will draw a horizontal line like this, and then here also I will draw a horizontal line. So the horizontal line goes in this direction. This also has to go in this direction. Here also coming up here, I will also draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so it goes to this end. Okay, so for what we have here, so this will give us the plan. So what we have here will give us the plan. Okay, so it give us the plan. So what I have to do now is to go and work on the end elevation. So I need to go and work on the end elevation. Okay, so for the end elevation, so what I need to do is that, so with the 45 degrees set square being put at this point on the front elevation, so I'm going to draw a line be at angle 45 degree to the horizontal. So I will draw the line in this direction. Okay, then from this point we are going to draw a vertical line. So from this point, so we draw a vertical line from here. Okay, so we draw a vertical line from this point, so it goes up like this. Okay, then from this point also, so from this point we have to draw a vertical line from this point, so it goes up like this. I will stop it here. So and also from here I will draw a vertical line, so it will stop here. While this one, so it goes up to this level. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have that. Okay, there is something that we still need to show here in the plan. Let me come and show you. So this shape that we have here is in, it will be in the middle of this surface. Okay, it will be in the middle of this surface. So and then we also need to bring it into the end elevation. So it is 10 millimeters. So what I'm going to do is that, so the center, this is 10. I'll take 5 up and I'll take 5 down. So 5 up, 5 down. So then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So draw a horizontal line from here to here. Okay, then I'll also draw a horizontal line from this point to this point. Okay, I'll need to extend it here, and I also need to extend this to touch this. Then I will now come here. So I'll come here to this point and draw a vertical line up like this. Okay, then come here, I will draw a vertical line up here like this. Okay, so we have this. So what I need to do now is that I need to bring out the shape of the views. So with my black pen, so um, I'm going to draw a vertical line. So from this point down here like this. So we make this line a thick line, and then this line, so we are going to make it a thick line from here to here like this. Okay, then this line here, so this line here, as we see it in the end elevation in the given view, so this will be a thick line from here to here, and this line will also be a thick line like this. So this line will make it a thick line from here down here, and this is also a thick line from here down here. All right, so this line at this point will also be a thick line like this. Okay, so now, so this shape that we have, there is a particular shape that we have here. Okay, so which has to be shown by the time we are looking at the front elevation, but when I produce the isometric view, we see it clearly. So we need to make this line a thick line also. And for this one, so this will be a thick line. We'll make it a thick line like this, and we also make this a thick line like this. Okay, so looking at this, so here we have the complete end elevation. Complete end elevation, that's what we have there. Now let's come to the front elevation. So the whole of this line, as we have in the given view, is a thick line down. So this line is a thick line down like this. Okay, then so let's come here. So this line is a thick line from here to here. Okay, then this line is also a thick line, so from here to this end. Okay, then we also make this line a thick line from here to this end, and then coming up here, this line is also a thick line from here to this end. Then this one also is a thick line from here to here, and then this line will be a thick line from here down here like this. And then so this line will also be a thick line from here down like this. Okay, then this will be drawn with short dashes line. Okay, it's drawn with short dashes line like this. Okay, and that's how we have it in the given view. So it will be drawn with short dashes line. Then this line here, so this line will be a thick line from here to this end. Then coming down here, so this line is a thick line all through to this end here. Okay, then this line here will be drawn with short dashes line. This will be hidden in the plan, so this will be drawn with short dashes line like this. Okay, so for hidden detail of the objects, we have this. All right, so then another thing that we have here, so this line, so be a thick line down like this. Okay, then from this point, so we are going to have this drawn like this. Okay, sorry, that part, so this particular part that we have here, we can't see it in the plan, we can't see it. So it should be drawn with short dashes line. So it should be drawn with short dashes line. So, okay. All right, so it should be drawn with short dashes line. So, but before that, okay, let me quickly work on this. So this line, so is at what we have on the top here, as we have it here. So this will be a thick line from here to this end like this, and this will also be a thick line from here to here. Okay. All right. So then this line, let's make it a thick line at once. So there is it. Okay. Then we also have this a thick line from here to here. Okay, so now for this one, so this will be okay. All right, so in the plan, so this will be drawn with short dashes line. We can't see it. Okay, so it'll be drawn with short dashes line. So we have like this, and this also will be drawn with short dashes line, and this also with short dashes line. So this is the plan. So we have completed the plan. We have completed the plan, and we have also completed the end elevation as you see it here. So then the next thing that we are going to, let's work on the isometric view. As we asked to make the isometric view, let's work on the isometric view. So let's start. So so this I'm going to place it. Okay, so with my 30-degree set square, I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to draw a line, so in this direction like this. Okay, then from this point I will draw a line in this direction. Okay, then I ought to have drawn a short horizontal line here like this. All right, so then I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. Draw a vertical line here at this point. Okay, so this is the vertical line like this. Okay, so on this side I will take a measurement of 50 millimeters from this point. So this is 50 millimeters here, and then coming to this side I will take 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters. All right, so having done that, the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a vertical line from here. So here I will draw a vertical line, so a vertical line, so which will go up, so which go up like this. Okay, at this point also I will draw a vertical line, so it goes up like this. Okay, so also at this point I will draw a vertical line which goes up like this. Okay, so we have this. Okay, then I will take the total height. So total height is 30 plus 24 plus 20. So that will that is 74. So 74 millimeters. I will take a measurement of 74, or instead of that I can just come here. So take 30, this is 30 millimeters. Then I will take 24. I'll take 24, so this is 24 millimeters. Then coming up from that 24, I will take 10, so this is 10. Okay, and I will take another 10. So I think this is better. So then I will now come here and take a measurement. So I take a measurement of 5 millimeters here. So that is 5. Okay, so then so coming to this point here, I'm going to draw a line to touch this. Okay, then I will draw a line from this point like this. Okay, so I will draw a line from okay, I don't want to draw that line now, so let's draw a line like this. Okay, all right, so and then so let me take this line, so let's draw this line like this. Okay, so this line, so I'm going to transfer this line. I will transfer it here like this. Okay, and this line also I will also transfer this point, so taking it here to this side like this. Okay, we have this. All right, so with what we have here, so okay, let me just draw this line. So let me draw this line here. So we need to draw it, we still need to draw this line. So we draw this line like this. Okay, then we also come here So we draw this line like this, and then coming to this point here. So we are going to draw this line. So here we draw this line like this. Okay, so all right, so now, so next thing that we are going to do, I need to come here and take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So this is 10 millimeters. So at this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line. So we draw a vertical line. So from this point, we draw a vertical line here like this. Okay. All right, so coming to this point also, so I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so I'm going to transfer this point. I'll transfer it here. So it goes in like this. Okay, then from this point here, I'm going to draw this line. So it goes and touch this one. Then from this point also, I will draw a line from here. So going inward like this. All right, so let's work out the feature that we have here. So that feature, so what we have is that we are going to take 10. So this is 10 millimeters. And we come here, we take 10 millimeters. So we are going to draw a vertical line here. So we draw a vertical line from here to touch this line. Then we also draw from here to touch this line like this. Okay. Then from this point, we are going to draw a line. So we draw a line to touch this. Okay, so coming down here also, we draw a line from this point inward like this, and then so coming to this point. So let me make this a thick line at once. So we draw this line, making it a thick line, and then so we draw a line from this point to touch this line. Okay, so we have this. All right, so that's how that part will look. Okay, okay, so I also need to draw this line, so to touch this one. Okay, all right, so let me make this line a thick line at once. So that's the feature that we have on this surface. Then I need to come up here, so I need to come up here in the middle here. So I need to take a measurement. So I will take 15. So this is 15 millimeters. Okay, then I will also take 15 millimeters. So that means we have 10 in that middle point. So what I'm going to do now is to bring out that shape. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So here we draw a vertical line down, and at this point I will draw a vertical line down here. So then I'm going to draw a line. So from here to touch this line, and then I will draw a line from here to touch this line. So then at this point also I will draw a line from here. So from this point I'll draw a line here. I'm then coming here to this point. So I'm going to draw a vertical line to touch this line. Then I will turn the set square like this. So draw this line from this point to touch this. Okay, so this will be connected together. And then at this point here, so we also draw a line from here. So draw a line. So we draw a line from here like this. Okay, then I need to transfer this. So just to draw like this. Okay, to touch this. All right, so looking at what we have there, we have completed the object. We need to bring out the visible outlines and edges. So I'm going to draw, making this a thick line, and I'll also make this a thick line like this. Okay, so then this line, we made a thick line from here to here, and this line I also need to make it a thick line from here down. So this line, so make it a thick line. We also make this a thick line like this, and this will also be a thick line like this. Okay, so I also need to make this a thick line. Then on this side here, so let's make this, so this will be a thick line from here to here. So this line will be a thick line from here to here. And we also make this one a thick line from here to here. And then here also we make this a thick line from here. And this will also be a thick line from here to here. Then thick line from here to here. And this also is a thick line from here to this end. And then for this one, so make this a thick line from here to here. Then coming to this place, so we also make this line be a thick line from here to here. So this is a thick line. Okay, then here also, so make this a thick line and this will also be a thick line from here to here. All right, so I should have made this a thick line from here to here, and this line will also be made a thick line from here to here. So we also make this line a thick line from here to here. So I should have made this a thick line from here down. This also a thick line from here down. And this line, okay. All right, so this line also we, and then we also work on this, and then we work on this. All right, so we have the isometric view of this object as we have been able to produce its orthographic view. So this is how the isometric view of the object will look. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. And practice this to become a master at this work. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.